What's up, guys? So today we'll be talking about alphabets that are found in mathematics for the second time. So I call this a part two. Let's get right to it. Now, before that, alphabets are found in unknown. It's also used as label and notation. I've covered unknown in the first video, so do check it out. I'll put the link down in the description. Check it out after you finish this video, right? Now we move on to the first letter of the alphabet, A. Since the first letter is used to label the first thing in a given set, data, etc. So for example, we have this. Since the blue is the first set, while the pink is the second set, is used as A is used to label the blue part, while B is used to label the second part. Okay, in sine rule and cosine rule, A is used to label the first angle and the first side of a given triangle. So we have right here where the sides are opposite to the angle. A is also used to label the area. So for example, this rectangle right here has the area A, which is the base times the height. B is used in y equals mx plus b. Some books use b while the others use c. Same thing is y-intercept. It's also used as to denote base in a given shape, right? In geometry, since B is the second letter in the alphabet, it is used to denote the second angle and the second side in a given triangle, right here. Same thing, the angle and the sides are opposite to each other. And it is also used to label the second set in a given sample. Next, we move right on to C, the famous y equals mx plus c, as the c as its y-intercept. C is also used as complex numbers. A set of complex numbers would be denoted as C. Next, in statistics, NCR would be the combination. And C is 100 in Roman numeral, as in century. And in geometry, C is normally used to label a circle. Yeah. D is 500 in Roman numeral, and in calculus we can found it in dy dx, where it represents the derivative of a given equation. Next we move on to E, the famous Euler's constant, which is this irrational number right here. My friend had did a 60-second video about this. Do check him out. I will put the link down in the description. He's good at Rubik's Cube, Tetris, Minesweeper, and Maths. Go check him out. Subscribe to him. Like his video. Yeah. Also do like mine and subscribe mine as well. Right? Thanks a lot. Okay, it is used in statistics to denote the expected value of a given random variable as well. Next, we move on to f, the famous fx, which is the function of a given, which is a function. F inverse x will be the inverse of the function, where f prime x will be the first derivative of the function. G is used to denote the Graham's number G64. Number file did a few videos about this. I'll put the link down in the description. Do check it out. It's also used to denote the second function prior to the first one. So if you have the first function fx, normally you will go for gx in the second function. H is used to denote height in a given shape. So right here we have this rectangle having height h. I is used to label square root of -1 in the complex world, right? It is also 1 in Roman numeral. Then didn't find anything special for J, but it's used in vector along with I. K is used in quaternion in this equation right here, and it is used to label some constant due to the first sound of the word constant has a K sound, right? L is used to label length in geometry. It is also 50 in Roman numeral, right? And M is 1000 in Roman numeral. It is also famously found in linear equation y equals mx plus c, where m is being denoted as the gradient. Okay, n is used as this symbol right here, which means the intersection of set A and set B. It is also the symbol of the set of natural numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 69, 420, etc. O, since O looks like 0, so it's used as the origin in a given graph. It's also used to label the center of a given circle, normally in geometry. Now, P is frequently used as probability to denote probability of a given set. Right here we have this probability of A given B, which we write it like this. It is also used in permutation MPR, which is the n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay, it can be also used to denote a polynomial function, which is Px right here. Next, we move on to Q. Okay, we have these rational numbers. A set of rational numbers are often denoted as Q. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed in fraction. So we have 0 0.5, 0 0.125, negative 4.2, etc. and all the integers as well. In statistics, it is used to denote the first quadrant and the third quadrant as well as the median Q2. For example, here we have the Q1 equals 64 while the third quadrant equals 77. R is used to label the set of real numbers. So we have pi, we have e, we have square root 2, all the integers, all the fractions, all the decimals as well. Anything on the number line, right? In geometry, it's used to label the radius of a circle. So we have right here, area of circle is pi r square. S is used to denote a set of all possible outcomes. So the total number of possible outcomes would be denoted as ns. T is used in matrix, which means transpose, which so it will mean that the rows swap for its column in a given element. So 1 4 2 3 would be 1 2 4 3, I guess. U is used as A union B, which is the total, which is all the elements in set A and set B. V is used as volume, normally in geometry. So we have this table right here, where volume V of a sphere is equal to 4 over 3 times pi r cubed. It is also 5 in Roman numeral. W is used as a symbol of the set of whole numbers. So we have all the positive integers and 0 also. 0 is included in here and not the natural number. X is used to label the x-axis, the horizontal axis of the graph normally. It is also used as 10 in Roman numeral. Y is used as the vertical axis in a given graph normally. While Z is used as a symbol of the set of integers, so we'll have 0, all the positive integers and all the negative integers as well. And that's it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thanks for sticking around from A to Z. It means a lot to me. Thank you once again. Thank you.